We've all been there. That moment when you're reaching for something just out of reach. You grab the old rickety ladder from the back of the garage, its legs are wobbly, and the steps creak ominously. Is this safe? Probably not. But what choice do you have? We take chances every day with these unreliable contraptions. But what if there was a better way? What if you had a ladder you could trust? A ladder that was built with safety and stability in mind, making those everyday tasks easier and worry-free.
The Bathla Advance 5-step ladder is not your average ladder, it's a game changer. Crafted from durable aerospace-grade aluminium, this ladder is built to last. Bathla, a trusted name in homeware since 1968, stands by its product with a 5-year warranty. That's peace of mind right there. But it's not just about durability. This ladder is packed with features designed to make your life easier. It folds flat for compact storage, taking up minimal space in your garage or cupboard. And when you need it, it unfolds quickly and easily, ready to tackle any task.
Safety is paramount, and the Bathla Advance ladder delivers. The patented Sure-Hinge technology uses double locking pivot joints. This ensures the ladder stays secure and wobble-free, even when you're at the top. No more shaky legs or heart-stopping wobbles. And then there are the anti-slip steps. Designed with precision-engineered edge guards and a special anti-skid surface, these steps provide superior grip. Whether you're wearing shoes or just socks, you can climb with confidence.
Shush!
Imagine this. You're a parent trying to reach that high shelf in the kitchen. Instead of struggling with a chair or stool, you grab your trusty Bathla ladder. It unfolds in seconds, providing a stable and secure platform. Reaching that cookie jar is now a piece of cake.
Or maybe you're a DIY enthusiast tackling a home improvement project. Painting the ceiling, changing a light bulb, or cleaning the gutters? The Bathla ladder is your reliable partner. Its sturdy construction and anti-slip steps give you the confidence to tackle any task.
Even college students will appreciate the versatility of this ladder. Short on space in your dorm? No problem. The Bathla ladder folds flat and can be tucked away easily. Need to reach those high shelves or loft beds? This ladder has got you covered.
Stop risking your safety with that old, unreliable ladder. The Bathla Advance 5-step foldable aluminium ladder is a worthwhile investment for any home. It's the perfect blend of durability, safety, and convenience.
Don't just take my word for it. Customers rave about its sturdiness, ease of use, and peace of mind it provides. This ladder is a game changer. Upgrade your home toolkit today and experience the Bathla difference. Check out the Bathla Advance 5-step ladder, bestseller on Amazon. Insert Amazon link here.